Hello guys, in today's video we want to look at some algebraic expressions, theory questions and answers in Waec. Alright, so we have here an example. They said without using tables or calculators, we are to evaluate 53.8 squared minus 46.2 squared. Now how do we solve this problem? This is very easy. So we write down our solution and then our question is 53.8 squared minus 46.2 squared. So this will be equal to, now whenever we have an expression in the form, let's say a squared minus b squared, okay, what it means is that this is what we call difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. What it simply means is that this expression can be written as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is the expression we are going to have. So if we expand this expression, we are going to get what we have at the top over here. So with this understanding, let's go ahead and work out the solution to this problem. It means this whole expression can be rewritten as, so let me do the work over here. So I have 53.8 squared minus 46.2 squared. So this will be equal to, because they look like difference of two squares, it will become 53.8 minus 46.2 in one bracket, then another bracket 53.8 plus 46.2. Okay, bracket close. Now from here, all we have to do is to deal with the bracket individually. So 53.8 minus 46.2, that will give me 7.6 in one bracket, then multiplied by the second one is 53.8 plus 46.2. That will give me 100. And so if I multiply 100 by 7.6, I am going to get 760. And this becomes my answer for this particular question. Now this is the SSCE 1993 question number 1B. Okay, subjective question for algebraic expressions. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye bye.